Well, good morning guys, welcome back to another Yonder Mountain Adventure. You join us, I'm still in Braemar. This is Braemar Castle in the background, and they've got an open day you can get in for free, which is very, very unusual. They'll be making some renovations because basically it's been falling to bits. Anyway guys, we haven't got time for that today. The Battle Star is loaded up and we are heading north. Hopefully you joined us last week's adventure where I had a fantastic night car camping down the Linnet Dee, and we're going to be doing a 4.5 hour drive north up to the north coast for another fantastic adventure. Right guys, off we go. Let's figure out the way down. Oh, there we go. Right guys, with no further ado, let's get the Battle Star fired up and we'll head north. Well guys, we're making some progress now. We're about 25 mile away from Tongue. I'll tell you what, this road up from Leg, I think it's about 30 mile single track. Luckily, I think I've only seen 3 cars while I've been on the single track road, and the scenery's starting to open up now. Look at this, we've got the big hills. It's just an expanse of open land. You can see the wind farm there. What a perfect place for that. And the beautiful autumn colours. Fantastic. Well guys, I just thought I would have a little bit of a pit stop really, make myself a cup of tea. I've got the old kettle plugged into the AFRI and we're just sat here, just a little bit of a pull in. 30 mile single track road. It's so remote and the weather's been biblical. But it's quite good here at the minute. I've got a beautiful little viewpoint here. I like just have a cup of tea, a little bit of a pit stop, and then we're gonna head further up. I've got some. I managed to pick up some breakfast as well. We've got some bacon. We've got 4 nice Highland soft rolls there as well. We'll have ourselves a nice cup of tea. And we've got a fantastic tea for the night, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely amazing. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, wow. The weather is biblical. The wind is like 45-50 mile an hour. Like the waves, I don't know how tall those waves were like, but that was insane. We're up in Durness, north coast, and I've tried a load of my usual haunts. Anyway, it's just too windy. I've been like parked up trying to get in and out the car, like the door's nearly blown off its hinges. So what I've decided, folks, is I'm actually now on the Sango Sands campsite, which of course I've been here many times before. And what I'm going to do is exactly this. I'm going to get the back of the car sorted out. You can see it's just a total mess there at the minute. As it always is, and then obviously you get the car all sorted out, move things around, get me bed ready, get me cooking station ready, because I'll be cooking inside the car tonight. Hey, this is the stark reality of car camping, especially in Scotland. Sometimes you can't have the epic views and being outside and all this type of thing. So hunkering down in the Battle Star. But first things first, I'm gonna first things first, I'm gonna get the car sorted. Second, I'm going to go for a shower, and third thing is third, and that is I'm going to go and get myself a nice couple of pints. So I might be a little bit inebriated by the time I come back. Not too bladdered, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. and then we'll cook up a storm in the back of the Battlestar. I've got a fantastic shout out as well, ladies and gentlemen, and then hunker down for the night. So that is the game plan. Well, here we go, guys. This is the bottom part of Sango Sands. Oh, there's the Battlestar. Give it a wave. And then you've got the rest of the site up there. It's a cracking site, this one, actually, guys. And look at that sun. Unbelievable. Right, guys, I think I'll take this opportunity just before I head to the pub and go and get a shower. I'll show you around. Let's have a look inside. I'm going to show you what we're going to have for tea a little bit later on, if I'm not too bladdered. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. We've got the full comfy setup in there. Actually, I'll go around the other side and I'll show you. But you can see, look at all of this fantastic space we've got down there, and it's all nicely organised. Now, people have got all their big kind of fancy campers and things like that. Actually, that is kind of cool. But you know what? They're no Battlestar, are they? Right, let's have a look. Right, guys, here we go. So we've got the mighty Afri. We've got our cooking station. We've got our lamp, and we've got our kettle and our teas and coffees. I've got bacon sandwiches for the morning, and all the rest of the stuff. And not a bad view either, guys, is it? Not a bad view. Let's have a look and see what we're having for the world famous eating segment tonight. First things first. The return of the mango margarita ×2, and of course it wouldn't be a camp, ladies and gentlemen, if we didn't have any cruisy campos. And for the main event, well, for starters, we're gonna have some sweet chili rice crackers with some blue cheese, and then we've got 2 pizza subs cooked up in the cheapest chips air fryer. Fantastic. Oh, hey, we're all settled, guys. Fantastic. Right, first things first. Let's start the evening off. This could get messy. Cheers, guys. Mango margarita. Oh, fantastic. This is great, actually. I'm just going to sit and chill. A couple of beers before I head down to the pub and have a couple of beers. And then by which time it'll be dark. Hopefully the wind's died down a little bit, and we'll get the cooking on the go. Fantastic, guys. I've been down the pub. I've had 5 or 6 pints. I've had some nibble nubbies nuts. Want the blue cheese and crackers. Now we're talking, guys. Oh wow, the crunch factor. Crunch factor 10 out of 10. Unbelievable. I'll tell you what, like, blue cheese can be very, very strong when you get it from Aldi's. Obviously, every adventure starts at Aldi. Oh yeah, the blue cheese at Aldi is unbelievable. It's creamy, it's rich, it's smooth. Oh yeah. I'm using my spoon to cut it up because I can't find my knife. Oh yeah. There's a particularly blue bit. Right, let's get this down the hatch. Oh yeah. We're about to embark upon the 2 pizza subs in a mini air fryer. I'm probably gonna have another beer. What do you think about that? Right, guys, let's have a look at this little bad boy. What we're dealing with here? Ooh, that doesn't look too bad, you know. Right, folks, here we go. We're gonna get the old pizza out there. Ooh, it's warm, as I say. Oh, hey, tell you what, like, this looks really good. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for the world famous eating segment. Let's give it a go. This is gonna be hot, this like. Let's give it a go. Wow. Oh wow, that is mega tasty. That is that's mega tasty. Oh yeah. Guys. Pepperoni pizza from Aldi. Obviously from Aldi. I'm sure these were £1.79. I'm telling you, a couple of minutes in the air fryer. Unbelievable. I think I found a camping food hack. Cheese and biscuits, like we've had, and then just a couple of these bad boys. Oh my god. Well guys, I've dusted the last one off. It's a good night from me. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. As much as I've enjoyed making it, I've had a cracking night. We're going to get up early doors. I want to go down to Balconneal Beach, which is my favourite. We're going to have a wander along the beach, and that'll close off the video. Good night, guys. Have a great night. I'll see you in the morning. Fantastic. Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day in Durness. Oh my god, what a sleep. And what a night last night. And what a tea. Oh my god, those pizzas, unbelievable. Yeah, I've slept like a baby. Absolutely unbelievable. I just woke up to the sun absolutely bleaching through the window. Unbelievable. Well, guys, I'm going to get myself up and about. Take advantage of the old shower situation. And then make me bacon sandwich and then hit the road. We're another, another part of the adventure today. We're not quite sure where we're going, but we're going southwest. So that'll be another adventure. This is fantastic. I love these road trips, like, unbelievable. For some reason, the external mic, the new mic, seems to have died. I'm just trying to figure that out. Hopefully that works, because otherwise we're going to struggle with sound quality. Oh, nightmare. I'll have to invest in a new DJI one, I think. Right, guys, up and at 'em. Fantastic. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, the weather! Oh my god, the wind was unbelievable. I went down to Barkineel Beach. That's one of my favourite beaches. And I swear, 50+ mile-an-hour gusts. Unbelievable. A little bit of a wander around the churchyard there. It's just steeped in history. Do you know what? When you kind of think about days gone by and what people's lives must have been like up here in the desolate highlands. One-track roads in and out. You know, we're in 2025. And this is North Coast 500. And yet I can stand here in the middle of the road. And it's just fantastic. Yeah, I've just pulled over into this little divot just so that there's not going to be massive amounts of wind noise. One of the many pull-in places. If you're thinking about coming and doing the NC 500 coming up to Durness, there's 1,000,001 parking places like this with absolutely panoramic, stunning views, guys. Well, we're going to bring the video to a close. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. It's been fantastic. A bit of a daft one last night due to the weather. We kind of, you know, just made the most of the opportunities that we've got, and we took advantage of the showering facilities and also the watering hole as well up at Durness, and it was fantastic. Couple of beers and we cooked up a storm. Absolutely fantastic, guys. If you're enjoying this type of thing, do give the video a thumbs up. Obviously it helps with the YouTube algorithm, but most importantly it lets me know that you're enjoying this type of stuff, and I'll keep on making videos just like it in stunning areas like this. Do hit that subscribe button, guys. It's free, it helps the channel massively, and hit the notification bell. That way every time I upload a new Yonder Mountain Adventure, you get a buzzer on the phone. You'll not miss a thing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for another Yonder Mountain Adventure. I'm going to jump in the Battlestar and we're heading southwest, quite where I'm going to end up. Your guess is as good as mine. I guess you'll have to come and join us next Sunday to find out. Could be Gairloch, could be a little bit further south, could be Isle of Skye. I don't know just yet, guys, but we're going to figure it out. Thanks very much for coming along. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the kind comments. And thank you to everybody for the buy me a coffee as well. It's much appreciated. It just goes straight into diesel, into the old Battlestar, and it takes me on these adventures. Have a fantastic week, guys. At very least, make sure you get your backpack on, get off the settee, get away from the TV and the doom and gloom that's going on out there. Forget about it, guys. Honestly, get your backpack on, get out and soak up some beautiful prescription nature, just like this. Well, from the north coast of Scotland, it's a goodbye from me. Have a fantastic week, guys. Make sure this week you get out and spend quality time with the people closest to you and the people that you love. And remember, kindness is a superpower. Fantastic. Have a great week, guys. I'm going to jump in the Battlestar. Let's see where we're going to end up.